Here's why you should drink apple cider vinegar before bedtime. People use apple cider vinegar daily in their homes for cooking and cleaning without even considering its incredible properties. Apple cider vinegar is a magical natural remedy that has been used for centuries for a multitude of health issues. Unfiltered and organic apple cider vinegar contains enzymes, proteins, and antioxidants, and specific good bacteria. So here are the amazing health benefits that you get if you drink apple cider vinegar before bed. Number 1, it helps you lose weight. Apple cider vinegar increases your satiety and represses your hunger center. In that way, it helps you decrease your daily calorie intake. It also helps in releasing enzymes which promote fat burning and weight loss. Number 2, it lowers blood sugar levels. Diabetic and pre-diabetic people can garner tremendous benefits from apple cider vinegar. It has been proven scientifically that when apple cider vinegar is taken before a meal, it increases insulin sensitivity and decreases the blood sugar level. Number 3, it helps in gastrointestinal problems. People who suffer from ulcers, colitis, and indigestion and reflux disease can get amazing benefits from consuming apple cider vinegar daily. Apple cider vinegar contains healthy bacteria which boost your gut microbiome. It also balances the pH levels and provides relief from gut problems. Number 4, apple cider vinegar can detoxify the body. Apple cider vinegar contains large amounts of antioxidants. If you consume it regularly, it can help you clear toxic material from your gut and body. Antioxidants fight free radicals and cleanse toxic material that accumulates in your body. Number 5, it prevents heart attacks. Apple cider vinegar has a property of dramatically reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. This happens due to the fact that antioxidants present in apple cider vinegar prevent the oxidation of LDL, which is responsible for blockage of arteries. Number 6, it treats dermatological problems. It is very effective in treating skin problems like moles, warts, sunburn, acne, toenail fungus, and dandruff. It has the capacity to disinfect the area and kill bacteria. And finally, number 7, it prevents cancer. Apple cider vinegar has a great property that encourages apoptosis in cancer patients. Apoptosis is the process which reduces the spread of cancer cells in the body. This amazing effect of apple cider vinegar prevents the spread of cancer in the body and may even stop it from growing. You can take 1 teaspoonful of unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water every night before bed or every morning on an empty stomach. I am positive that you will be amazed by apple cider vinegar's beneficial effects. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please share with your friends or family or leave us a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification button to be one of the first people to know when we put out a new video. Once again, thank you.